that's not good.
Getting deeper.
So, you know what? Maybe reverse.
Well, that looked quite promising, didn't it? Going on adventures by the Narew River is like opening a surprise box every time. Sometimes the paths are dry and dusty, sometimes they're wet and muddy, and sometimes there's simply so much water that it can swallow our cars if we're not careful. After having a lot of snow this winter, I'm really curious to see if we can still drive the Narew tracks now that all of the snow has turned to water.
Oh, I can already smell all this cow shit in the car when this dries up.
My buddy Kamil is with me, driving his super cool car, Lada Niva. It's a really strong car that's not really scared of anything tough or tricky. The weather report said it might rain a little bit in the morning, but it also said that the sun might peek out later in the day. We haven't had many sunny days lately. At the beginning of this video, you saw that we didn't quite know what to expect from this trip. So maybe let's go back to the start of the day and we'll show you all the fun and crazy things we went through and find out if we made it through or, well, came to a stop. So do yourself a favor, go to the fridge, grab a yummy drink, get cozy, and let's start this fun adventure. Not before long, we hit our first obstacle.
Alright, so let's have a look how it looks like.
I know this place from the summer, and I know that those ruts are deep, and if you can even see the road, well, we're in for a challenge.
Well, I bet that felt a little sketchy.
It wasn't so bad, so you can try, but wait for me, I took some pictures. Looks like the weather got it wrong again. We're bundled up, no heat, just a bottle of gin. And as the night grows quiet and the streets turn white, the brokers say oh no, so let them say oh no. But if you've got to listen, I've got to listen. It didn't ring a bell. I've been sending you my thoughts, at least oh well. Baby, you've got to listen, I'm gonna listen, so put it in the middle. I've been my friends in this hotel. The flakes of foam as the night gets darker. Better string up the lights and make the whole house sparkle. Grab your lady or man, take them by the hand. You make it move so slow, you make it move so slow. If you caught the cradle, baby, who broke the bell? Everybody's kissing, but nobody's telling. So let's turn out the lights and call this a night. We better turn out the lights and call this a night. Baby, you got to listen, I'm gonna listen. Didn't ring a bell. I've been sending you my thoughts, at least oh well. Baby, you got to listen, I've got to listen. To put it in the mail. I'll spend Christmas with my friends in this hotel. It's getting colder, getting colder, getting colder to breathe. It's getting colder, getting colder, getting colder to breathe. It's getting colder, getting colder, getting colder to breathe. You've got to listen, I'm gonna listen. Didn't ring a bell. I've been sending you my thoughts, at least oh well. Baby, you've got to listen, I'm gonna listen. Didn't ring a bell. I've been sending you my thoughts, at least oh well. Baby, you've got to listen, I've got to listen. To it in the mail. I'll spend Christmas with my friends in this hotel. I'll spend Christmas with my friends in this hotel.
Here we ran into our first really difficult obstacle. Now, we're driving roads that the farmers mainly use when they're cultivating their fields and to connect like from one field to another. The road, well, as you can see, it is soaked with water and it is pretty soft in the bottom. As Kamil's car weighs about half or even less than half from mine, so we thought that maybe it's the safest option for us to traverse a little bit, go around this spot, as getting stuck in this field, well, it's not very tempting. So we are here by the river crossing. Unfortunately, the water is like way too high, so this would be already like this level stupid to even try to attempt this one. The farmers, they go through it with the tractor with ease, but unfortunately we don't have that kind of clearance, and not to mention like no snorkels, anything, so that's just not a smart move to go there. So we'll just, go around, find a beeline, so to say, and continue from there. Looks pretty deep.
I'm getting water.
Hey Kamil, what's happening here? Oh, we have a drain plug.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was pretty deep. Oh man. It was just I saw. Yeah. We started lifting this ice. Oh my god, it's so windy here. Crazy. Crazy windy.
After tackling that one, now it was time to finally have a small pit stop, make a hot cup of coffee, and chat for a while before we continue to the Froglands.
Just look at that view. It's like almost driving by a lake. Say I expected there to be more water here because last year around roughly the same time all of these fields were just lakes basically.
It will be in the spring when the rain comes.
Yeah, but I was expecting, you know, all this snow to melt, so I was really sure that this would be already like underwater over here.
What a view.
Pretty goddamn incredible, huh?
I take some pictures from the car.
Yeah, you just have to look where the bushes are and try to aim for the middle.
Like Jesus.
I don't think he will be able to help you here. You may want to come a little bit to the right.
Don't think so.
Yeah, it's a bad spot to stop. So if you do want to turn around, we have like this road right next to us. So this would be like the perfect spot to turn around as well if you want.
No, I want to try, but I don't know what part of road should I choose.
Just look at the bushes on the right side and try to keep like this, like roughly 1 meter from the bushes.
Yeah, I should try more by left side.
No, I wouldn't go more to the left because I think it's gonna be super soft on the left side. The road is right next to the bushes on the right. Hey, love.
Okay.
Hey, how are you?
Well, all right. So I will just, wait here for a second and see how you are doing. And well, if you get stuck, then I will try to get you. Well, we're at the Froglands right now. Sweetie, can I call you back later? Okay, we're in a bit of a spot here.
Okay.
Okay, boom, boom. Dziękuję, boom, boom. I will send you a video. So how did that feel? All right, so my turn.
The deeper we push into the Froglands, the deeper the water gets. Soon, we will be facing something far, far more difficult than the water itself. If I wouldn't have driven this road, I think it was May last year, I would have turned back like a long time ago. I mean, just look at this road. You can barely even see where the road is. Just a few straws of hay pointing out from the water, and you're just hoping that the road is between there somewhere. I mean, if I wouldn't know that this road is a 100% straight line, oh man, what have we gotten ourselves into?
Oh my god, I see actual road. Now you just have to guess where the road goes. This ice really brings a challenge.
It's getting deeper.
Yep, it really is. starting to be a little deep for my comfort.
This big piece of ice.
Well, that's not good.
Getting deeper.
So, you know what? Maybe reverse?
I think so.
So, here's the situation. After a short negotiation with Kamil, we decided that we will reverse back to the dry spot we found earlier. But we do have like 300 meters or so to reverse.
Yeah, we need to find a spot where we can turn around.
And what makes it more interesting is that if you think it's difficult to navigate this road just by driving straight, you really don't want to reverse it.
Oh man, this ice is like horrible.
I wanted to say.
I mean, it would be almost okay, you know, if it wouldn't be this ice.
My main concern is the ice. We probably could have somehow managed, you know, this huge ice slate that was where we started reversing. But there's a lot of ice starting to be here. The wind is blowing from the right side and it's pushing all this ice from the field straight onto the road. Now this is definitely something that can cause a potential damage to the vehicles as well. So the safe option at this point, just reverse back, find the dry piece of land and see if you can turn around there.
Back up, back up, back up, back up. Back up, back up, back up, back up. Okay, easy now, easy. Back up, back up, back up. Okay, done. Stop. Back up. Little more, okay.
Well, at least now we know that nothing ahead of us is nothing we haven't done before.
Exactly. Close your eyes and full throttle.
So, I turn back really fast. Really deep. I don't remember this being so deep when we came.
As we get out from the Froglands, it's time to look for alternative routes. Although the time is already way in the afternoon and we are also losing daylight, so I think at this point maybe it's just a good place to call it a day. We had a really nice adventure today with Kamil, and definitely we will be coming back to visit this place maybe in a few weeks, month maybe, and to see when the water absorbs a little bit, so it may become a little bit more passable. Definitely an adventure to look forwards to. But either way, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoy editing this. And see you on the next one. Oh, and please don't forget, like and subscribe. That really helps my channel to grow. Cheerio, boys and girls.